Welcome! If you use Facebook on your PC and want to keep your stories private, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to prevent others from sharing your own stories on Facebook, especially with the latest update. Let's get started and make sure your stories stay just the way you want them. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Select Settings. Now you're in the main settings area where you control your account's privacy and features. Next, look for the section labeled Stories. This is where you can manage everything related to your Facebook stories. Click on Stories to enter the story settings. Inside the Stories settings, you'll see various options about who can view and interact with your stories. What we're looking for is the option that says, Allow others to share your public stories to their own story. By default, this might be enabled, allowing anyone who can see your public stories to share them on their own timeline. To prevent this, simply disable this option. Click the switch or checkbox next to Allow others to share your public stories to their own story so it's turned off. Once you do this, your public stories can no longer be shared by others to their own stories, giving you more control over your privacy. That's it. You've just taken a big step in protecting your content and making sure your stories are only shared the way you want. Remember, Facebook updates its features regularly, so it's always a good idea to check your settings every now and then. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.